Hello, good day, Miss Susana Solibas. Will you please introduce yourself?
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Susana C. Sulibas, 45 years old. I have a partner. I have one son. I undergraduate taking a computer secretarial course. We are 10 siblings in the family. I'm the fourth of the family. I have experience to work in Qatar. For 1 year and 9 months, I served 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children, all girls, ages 13, 9, and 6. My main duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, taking care of the children, sending and picking up from schools, play with them, ensuring the safety of the children, washing laundry, ironing, gardening, taking care one pet dog. I have experience also to work in Hong Kong for 4 months, March 2023 to August 2023. I serve 5 members of the family, 4 adults and 1 children. Ages, grandma and grandpa is ages 85 and 80, 2 adults 42 and 32 years old, 1 children ages 6 years old. My main duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, taking care of the children, sending and picking up from school, play with them, washing 3 cars every other day, taking care one pet dog. I have also experience to work in the MOM 2014 to 2021. I served 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children. Ages, 2 boys and 1 girls, 14, 10, and 5 years old. My main duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, play with them, tutoring the children, but most drawing, washing laundry, ironing, gardening, and taking care 1 pet cat. To my future employer, please do hire me as your nanny and helper. I am diligent, obedient, trustworthy, patient, hardworking, fast learner, willing to learn, and flexible. I do promise that I will do my best to tackle my duties and responsibilities.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.